A morning plan. Today, I want to cook a birthday dinner for my sister, Lily. I need fresh food, but I do not have much money. I write a short list before I leave home: tomatoes, carrots, bread, cheese, strawberries, and a small jar of honey. The farmer's market opens early, so I arrive just after 9. The market is full of colors and sounds. People carry bags of fruit. A man plays soft music near the gate. I take my woven basket and look at my list again. I have one simple job: buy good food, stay on budget, and make Lily smile tonight. The vegetable stall. I stop at the first vegetable stall. The tomatoes are bright red, and the carrots still have green leaves. A woman behind the table smiles at me. I ask, "How much are the tomatoes?" She says, "They are $3 a basket." I check my money and think for a moment. The woman shows me a smaller basket. It costs only $2. The tomatoes are not perfect, but they smell sweet. I buy them and add 5 carrots too. The woman gives me 1 extra carrot for free. For the birthday dinner, she says. I thank her and feel happy. My basket is already colorful, and I still have enough money for the rest of my list. Bread, cheese, and a problem. Next, I follow the smell of warm bread. A baker has many loaves on a wooden table. Some are big and round. Some are small and dark. I choose a small loaf with a hard crust. It is fresh and not too expensive. The baker wraps it in brown paper and puts it in my basket. Then I try a piece of soft cheese. It is creamy and a little salty. It will be perfect with the tomatoes. But the cheese costs more than I expect. I count my money again. If I buy it, I may not have enough for honey. I take a smaller piece of cheese. It is a smart choice. I still want the honey because Lily loves sweet tea. The search for honey. The market is busier now. I look for the honey stall, but I cannot see it. I pass apples, flowers, eggs, and fresh herbs. My basket feels heavy. I ask a fruit seller, "Do you know where I can buy honey?" He points across the market, but then a small boy drops a bag of apples near my feet. I help him pick up the apples. One rolls under the table, and we both laugh. The boy's grandmother thanks me. She hears my question and says, "The honey cellar is near the blue tent, next to the flowers." She also gives me 1 small apple. I put it in my basket. Helping someone has helped me too. Now I know where to go. A sweet ending. I find the blue tent at the end of the market. A man sells honey in small glass jars. The honey looks like gold in the sun. I tell him I need a little jar for my sister's birthday tea. He shows me a small one, and the price is just right. I smile because I can buy it. Before I leave, I see strawberries near the flowers. They are the last thing on my list. I have only a few coins left, but there is a small cup of strawberries for that price. Perfect. My basket is full, and my plan is complete. I walk out of the market, feeling proud. Tonight, Lily will have fresh bread, cheese, vegetables, strawberries, and sweet tea with honey. It is a simple dinner, but it comes from a beautiful morning.